What's up, everybody? Welcome to my first Workout Wednesday. I'm going to start doing my workout routines every Wednesday, so maybe you can join along with me. I have them posted here, and then they're also in the video to come. All you'll need today are weights. You always want to start your workout with a warm-up. Whatever you want to do, just get your blood flowing, some kind of cardio or whatever, just to loosen up your muscles and stuff. All these workouts can be done without the weights, of course. There's only like 2 that actually use the weights, but you can definitely do them without the weights. And also you can modify what you feel comfortable doing. So instead of doing 25 squats, you can start with 10. And then the more you feel comfortable, the more endurance you gain, then you can add more. It's really important to breathe correctly while doing your ab workouts, like your crunches or sit-ups or things like that. You want to exhale on the way up and inhale on the way down every time. With the leg lifts, you can also modify by not bringing your legs so far down to where you're straining your lower back. You don't want to feel anything in your lower back. I've learned from Michaels that you only do static stretches when your workout is done. You never do them before, you do them after. I hope you got some good ideas for some workouts you can do, and also I will be posting a 30-day squat challenge that I did and some more cleaning videos soon. See you next time. Bye!